Good evening, everyone, once again. This is Babul from New York, and I thank all of you very much because during the last 2 weeks, you all um, software test engineers are with me in this very short course from beginners to intermediate level, Selenium with Python. In the last classes, we have learned how to locate elements, find elements and locate it, and how to determine action and how to pass the parameters, as well as we learn how we can conduct unit testing using Selenium with Python. And we have learned also how to generate HTML report that will be readable for our uh, uh, senior task lead or project manager. And we also learn how to push our uh, programming codes into our GitHub account. So we learn a lot of things. And in the last class, we also learned um, how to develop PyTest framework from scratch, from beginning to end. And also we learn how we can skip our test case, and we can also mention why we are skipping it. All right, now um, actually in the last session I forgot to show you how we can also generate very beautiful HTML readable reports in PyTest like unit testing, but easier than that one too. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how we can generate report very easily. Okay, this is our framework. All right, and uh, this class is going to be the last for the testers or newbies who are attending my free classes. And after this class, um, only those who are going to um, contribute in GoFundMe, and I have a campaign over there. Those who are going to contribute or donate, they are going to get access on POM, page object model, and also on every Saturday and Sunday I am conducting a bootcamp, and in the bootcamp, those who are paying $300 as a registration fee, they are going to get the whole access. Especially, they are going to get the advanced level, more frameworks on BDD, behave, okay, behave, and also on robot framework, and also some more tips. Those who want to join in the um, software development and testing industry as a uh, senior software development engineer in test. Um, I'm going to discuss some interview questions and also how to prepare your resume and where you can upload it, and from where you can get interview calls and how you can um, face them, and ultimately can manage a role, okay, manage a position. Now if you are interested, please feel free to send an email, coding and testing daily @gmail.com. All right, so now I'm going to show you how we can prepare a test report. Now you see this is our project framework, and under the project framework we have a folder called driver. Here is driver, and here is our PyTest framework, okay, and here is our report. Actually we want to create a report right in this project, just writing a very simple code, even much easier than generating HTML readable report in unit testing. Okay, so in PyTest, report generation or generating is much easier. Okay, so we are going to generate report. How we can do it? We can say uh, just we can write let's go to CMD and just write actually let me take the copy the path of this folder, then just go here and write cd. We know how to execute test from command from by this time, okay, and just press enter and just write PyTest, okay, PyTest, then just uh, give a space, then dot dot, and write HTML is equal to, I'll write report1 dot HTML, okay, and it will generate a report after the test execution. It's invoking the browser, expanded the window. I'm going to click on sign in button, and the first test case has been passed and the second test case has been skipped, and it took only 15 seconds, 15.45 seconds, okay. So now let's go and check the report, and the report is right here. I think you can see report 1.html, okay. Then just right button click and open in browser. I'm opening in Chrome, and here is HTML readable report. Um, here is the date, time, okay, and then this is PyTest, and our environment is here. It's mentioning each and every environment. Then summary of the report is right here. One passed, one skipped, zero failed, zero error, okay, and here is also show details the result, okay, and also it has mentioned why the test script has um, skipped this test case. This test is not in this build, okay, and captured standout call also right here. this. Okay, so thus you can create a report in PyTest framework. I hope it has been really helpful um, tutorials for the last 2 weeks. Many of you are following this tutorial, and um, I'm very hopeful you are learning a lot. Practice, then you can prepare yourself to land any project. All right. Again, those who are interested to continue learning a page object model, those who want to get access, please feel free to navigate to gofundme.com. Then the next 2 classes will be open for the people who are going to gofundme.com and uh, just write my name right here. Okay, and going to click here. It's a campaign, and donating at least $10, they are going to get the free access to the page object model classes. Okay, and those who want to learn further the advanced level of Selenium frameworks like Behave and Robot framework, some people call it Robotium framework, some people call it Robotic framework, whatever. It's a very high level courses, and there will be 4 classes for 2 frameworks. One is uh, BDD Behave, and another one is um, Robot framework. All right. So thank you very much once again. Wish you all the best. Thank you.